Hello everyone. This is the official project submission of Hack Hackathon. I would like to thank all the organizers and appreciate their work for organizing such a beautiful hackathon. Let's move on. As we can see, the world is freaking out due to coronavirus pandemic. Everyone is scared of the deadly virus. Therefore, with an eye to public good, Team Forbit has developed a website which is giving trustworthy insights to all the people in the world. This is our homepage. We have provided a coronavirus dashboard. Here it gives information about what is coronavirus, how it spreads, what are its symptoms, and how to prevent it. We have also provided a chatbot. I will discuss about it in few minutes. Let's check the stats of the project. On the left side, you can see the case details. It shows active, recovered, and confirmed cases alongside the dead people. Moving ahead, it shows there is a line chart which gives the insight of increase in patients from February 15th to April 11. If you hover on it, it shows the number of cases as on April 4. Coming to donor chart, we can see the details of 4 regions compared with others. If we select one region, then its details get hide and we can compare the other region. Here again on the left side, there are state-wise statistics given. The blue one are confirmed cases, yellow one are active cases, green one are recovered cases, and red one are number of deaths happened in that state. Let's move on to chatbot. Chatbot takes a generalization of people infected with COVID-19 and makes a prediction if a person is sick or not. Chatbot assist. Here user can check if he or she is prone to the disease or not. By following certain series of questions, we can determine if a person is suffering from not. Here it asks some questions like, do we have any problem in breathing? Let's try it. Do you have fever? Yes. Any sort of cough? No. Runny nose? Yes, I do. Feel fatigue or tiredness? No. Do you have a history of any sort of heart or lung disease? No, never. Do you feel any kind of heaviness in your lungs? Sometimes I do. And at last it shows the result. It's saying there is a slight possibility that you may be corona positive. You should have a checkup. Oh, let's move out to the team information. Before moving that, I would like to introduce a cool feature of the project. It is given in the stats page. We have provided a 3D view of the world to track the number of patients of coronavirus. If you will see on the stats page, there is a earth icon on the right side. If you will click on it, it redirects you to the 3D view of the world. You can see a beautiful view of the world. Here corona cases are given according to the world COVID-19 patients data. You can move out, you can select one country. It gives beautiful 3D representation. It is sorted by geographical regions and it gives ultimate level of zoom in a zoom out feature. Let's see which is this country. This is Canada, and it shows the population of Canada. Total number of cases of COVID-19. Total are 606 today are reported. Total deaths, active cases, and recovered cases. You can also see other regions, like this is Saudi Arabia, Sudan, and our beautiful country, India. Let's move out to map. Here also it shows the number of cases in the world, but in a different way. These red markers represents the number of cases according to the country and states. The lighter the red color, the low number of cases are reported in that region, and the darker the red color, and when it becomes black, the more number of cases are reported in that country or state. Let's move out to the team. This is our team. The members are Afraz Momin, Kanjal Dalal, Pratik Saini, and Tejas Bachao. Here the GitHub links and LinkedIn links are provided. And that is the end of our project. We wish that you should stay in home, practice the rules given by government, stay healthy. Thank you.